Hello, right, we're at Maker Faire Hannover 2017 with Matt Denton and the Mantis robot. Check out my channel for other videos about Maker Faire and the Mantis robot. But this video is a special video about giant Lego. So we've got my giant Lego electric skateboard, which you've already seen in my channel, which we're going to try and drive in a minute. And we've also got Matt's go-kart kit, which is printed at the same scale. So what kit is this?
This is the Lego Go-Kart 1972 kit. Came out in the mid-80s, I think 1985. And I think it was a little technical Lego taster kit, so you can see if you liked technical Lego.
And this is 48 parts?
98 parts.
98 parts.
Yeah, this is the smallest go-kart I could find, the fewest parts and the smallest pieces.
The pieces are printed on the TAS 5 print bed.
All printed on the Lulzbot TAS 5 print bed, they all fitted on there. Yeah.
So, and this is ABS?
This is all ABS and Ninja Flex rubber wheels, so that's 20% infill, so they're nice and soft, feel like the real things, and it all works as well.
All works. And there's another video or two in your channel.
Yep. There's
about putting this together.
Two videos, one where I put it together with my nephew Ruben, and then there's another video where I take you through how I built it on my TAS.
All right. Yeah.
How did you get going?
Feather it, slow acceleration.
I literally thought that would be big enough, but I couldn't get it around the corner.
Yeah, it's not a very good turning circle. Yep, a little bit. Pushing a little bit, then slowly squeeze it. It's very sensitive.
Bosh! There you go. Look at that. Steering works. Got Ninja Flex rubber tyres printed there on the TAS 5. This is all printed on one printer on the Lulzbot TAS 5, and yeah, it's quite a beast. So let's take a little closer look there, and I'll start taking it apart and show you how I printed this.